That was a significant amount of oil. I think the arms, by stand, are inhibiting this from coming out. So we'll have to tackle that when we get to that point. It might be a little bit of a job. Well, I pulled the filter off camera, cut it open, and let's go take a look at the results. Yep. That's where the rod bearing is. It's in the filter. I don't think we can put this one back together, guys. Next, we'll get the oil filter housing off. Now, this is the point in the teardown where I got really jammed up with these engines in the past. What the heck? I can't get these out?